Hello my people, thank you for clicking to my video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show very few products that you need to start your own makeup kit. Guys, it's very simple. I'm also going to suggest to you the company that I think you should buy from. Is it the drugstore? I think the drugstore that you should buy from. That I'm going to tell you, they are very affordable, available, and cheap. Yes, that is it. To start with, the first thing that you need to start your makeup kit, your personal makeup kit, not your biashara, yako tu. Guys, you need makeup brushes. Makeup brushes. And guys, you don't need a lot of brushes like this ones. I have a lot of brushes and some I don't even use, but you can buy a set of 10 brushes, which is maybe goes for 700. That means it's 700 a brush, you get for 70 bob. That's very affordable, right? Yes, I'll do another video showing you the necessary brushes that you need. You don't need every brush that makeup artists come here telling you you need all 21 makeup brushes. No guys, you need only 10 makeup brushes, and I'll break it down to you in another video that I'll do. Okay, the first thing that you need, I'm telling you a lot of series, you need makeup brushes. That's the first thing you need, guys. The second thing, you need a primer to prime your face before you apply on makeup. A primer, it's like this one. For I would recommend this Kiss Beauty because they're affordable. For me, I bought the setting spray and the primer for about maybe 700, the two of them, but you can get them separate, of which they are larger. It's 900, I think, or less for Kiss Beauty. Yes guys, it's that cheap. Okay, the next thing I'm going to tell you about, after that you need a foundation. I recommend Maybelline. I use Maybelline Fit Me shade 364. It goes for 950, and when it's on offer you can get it for about maybe 800. You can get it for 800 or less when it's on offer, and in other shops you can get it for even 1050, 1500. It depends on where you buy it, but if you buy from their shops, that their official shops, I think you can get it for 950, or from Jumia with maybe 800, I think. Yes, you can also try Kiss Beauty. This is very cheap, even cheaper than the Maybelline foundation. This goes for between 500 and 700. I bought mine at 500 at a beauty shop cosmetic. It's original, it's not fake, guys. But if someone is selling for you this foundation for 250, guys, you are to fake. You first have to know the prices of the product, so that when someone sells to you something, you know if he or she is selling to you a fake product. But people are clever out here. They'll sell to you a fake product at an expensive price. Be careful, guys. So the foundation that I'll suggest for you to buy, it's this Kiss Beauty. It's for 500. Mine is shade number 3, and this is 364. You can get your shade. We have different skin colors. Yes, guys. Then the third product is concealer. The concealer. Is it the third product? Yes, it's the third thing. Tool. Let's say it. The brushes were tool. Now these ones are what? Products. The third product. Let's say concealer. Me, I would recommend LA. It's very cheap. You can get even for 270 and it's original. But I would recommend if someone is selling for you this LA girl for 450. I think it's original. Buy this one. It's very good. It's easy to blend. Although I didn't say fit me, it's very easy to blend. Hata kama ni siku ya kwanza utaweza kublend. Yes guys, that is it. And I'm loving my look, how it turned out. What do you think, guys? Able comment down below. Tell me what you think. Is it a yes? Is it a no? The fourth product. To the fourth product. Now we are done with the face. You're done with the face. But you can also get a highlighter and contour palette. Mine is so messed up. Really that. You can also get a highlight and contour palette. Maybe for 500. This is this beauty for 500. You see guys, me now, I'm getting you cheaper product from good known drugstores. I think they're the best, especially Maybelline. They're the best. Now let's go to the eyes. To the eyes, you will need eyeshadow, and a concealer, and you already have a concealer. For eyeshadow, mine is Pop Fill, but it's not written. It is not written, so I'll show you inside. I think you say it's popping, as it says. It's Pop Fill. It's popping. Pop Fill. I got it for, let me remember. This is 700. This is for 700, and it's doing its work very well. So you don't need to go get expensive eyeshadow. Let me not let me not mention those drugs that sell expensive eyeshadow, but this is good. Pop Fill does its work. Yes, guys. To the fifth product, you need a powder to set your whole face. For me, I use Luron. This was expensive, my goodness. I got it for 1,000. Is it expensive, guys? No, it's not. You can get a powder. It's 1,000, this Luron. Or you can try Maybelline too. They have good powders. Yes, they have good powders. What am I even saying, guys? Yes, they have good powders. But I'm using Luron. It's good. I got it for 1,000. It's a good foundation. Then another thing you need, it's a mascara. Mine is LA, but imefutika. It's LA, lakini ishafutika. LA 600. Are you saying, guys? I'm just telling you the cheapest products you can get to start your makeup and slay. I just realized I didn't do my mascara, so let's do a mascara. Tuchane, sindio? Tuchane. Then you need an eyeliner. Mine is the best. Miss Rose, I love this eyeliner. Okay, it's good and it's easy to apply. You can also use a gel. This gel I have here. Let me open it for you. This gel here. I love it, guys. It does its work. So I love this one. When you buy this one, you get 2 black and brown for 450 with 2 brushes, guys. Is it an offer? It's a good price, yes. Yes, now for the lipstick, I'll only show you 3 of them. This is a gloss that I have. I got it for 470. It's LA. If you don't want lipstick, you can consider LA gloss. They are very good. They are good. I've been using it's my everyday when I'm not applying makeup. I use a gloss because I don't apply makeup every day. It's not easy. Those lipstick, I love it. It's matte. It goes for all day. Even if you're eating, haitatoka, it's good. I recommend this one. Then this Pauline cosmetic that I don't use a lot. This Pauline cosmetic, I don't use it a lot of time. It's a red lipstick. It's red. It's red. It's a red lipstick, and the other one, let me show you the color. It's just a dark lipstick. I love it. I love this one. I love this one. If you've seen me most of the time, I wear this color, this dark color. I love it. You can buy a highlighter. This one I bought it long time ago. I don't remember the price, but I don't think imepita 500. It's less than 500. I recommend this one, guys. Just buy any highlighter. It will work. I don't even know what company this one on my drugstore imetoka. But it does its work well. I love it. Tuongeze kidogo. Yes, let me see what I've forgotten, guys. That's all you need, by the way. That's everything you need. You need your brushes, a foundation, a concealer, eyeshadow, which is optional. You can choose not to wear eyeshadow. Then a lipstick. Hope I'm not losing counts. Yes, 5 products I think, and a primer and a setting spray. 6 products, guys. Very cheap, very affordable, guys. Think that I've not shown you what I use for my eyebrows. I use just a pencil, the normal pencil, Davy's pencil, number 18. That's the recommended pencil. Then use a lighter shade concealer under your eyebrows. Then on the upper side, you can use the shade of your foundation. You can use your foundation, the one you will apply on your face, so that it don't give you a lot of work to apply. Hey, thank you for staying to this video, guys. I love you. If you stayed for this long, thank you very much. Please subscribe. The subscribe button is here or here. Please subscribe. Subscribe, guys. Let's grow together. Then if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And then if you have a comment, either a recommendation or something that I didn't do so well, please comment down below. I'll reconsider doing what you say. I love reading your comments. I'll read all your comments and reply to them. Thank you guys for watching.